Approximately 98 million Americans are sliding toward diabetes, often without a clue. If your blood sugar keeps creeping up, stubborn weight won't budge, and energy crashes by mid-afternoon, listen up. Berberine, an ancient plant compound, now shows comparable effects to metformin in head-to-head trials. 500 milligrams twice daily may help support blood sugar, potentially reduce bad cholesterol by approximately 20 to 25%, and jumpstart weight loss as a dietary supplement. In the next few minutes, you'll discover 12 life-changing berberine benefits and the absorption hack that makes it work up to 5 times better. The gut health revolution in Benefit 5 could be the spark that reignites your metabolism at any age, so don't miss it. Number 1. Blood sugar support. Ever wonder why diabetes doctors in China have been studying this natural compound for over 3,000 years alongside modern treatments? What they discovered will make you question everything about blood sugar control. Picture this. Your cells are like locked doors, and insulin is the key that lets sugar inside for energy. But when those locks get rusty, that's insulin resistance, sugar builds up in your bloodstream instead of fueling your body. Berberine acts like a master locksmith that may help improve the broken locks. It activates AMPK, your body's metabolic master switch. When AMP turns on, cells may better remember how to use insulin properly again. A study with 116 diabetic patients showed promising results. Berberine helped support blood sugar just as effectively as metformin, potentially lowering A1C levels by approximately 2% in 3 months. Research indicates berberine may help lower your A1C by up to 2% in 90 days, showing comparable effects to prescription diabetes drugs in clinical studies. Participants taking 1,500 milligrams daily saw fasting glucose drop from 190 to 124 without changing their diet. Quick note: I've linked high-quality berberine in the description. Most drugstore brands use cheap forms that won't give you these benefits. But supporting blood sugar is just the beginning, because what berberine does to stored fat will completely blow your mind. Number 2. The fat-burning support. Professional bodybuilders have started calling berberine natural metabolic support, and the science behind why this works is absolutely fascinating. When berberine flips that AMP switch, your body may transform into a fat-burning machine. AMP tells cells to stop making new fat and start burning what you already have for fuel. It's like switching from storage mode to furnace mode. Research from the International Journal of Obesity followed 37 people with metabolic syndrome. After 12 weeks on berberine, they lost an average of 5 pounds of pure body fat without dieting. Their BMI dropped by approximately 13% and waist circumference shrunk by 2 inches. Studies suggest berberine may help shrink your waist by 2 inches and drop 5 pounds of pure fat in 12 weeks. No crazy diets required. It may help support your metabolism in burning fat instead of storing it. Speaking of promising transformations, cardiologists are interested in what berberine does to cholesterol numbers. Number 3. Cholesterol support system. Clinical research shows berberine may significantly help support cholesterol profiles in head-to-head trials, and this natural approach shows promise. Your liver produces cholesterol like a factory, and statins work by shutting down production completely. But you actually need some cholesterol for hormones and cell repair. Berberine takes a different approach. Instead of stopping cholesterol production, it may help your body use cholesterol properly. It may increase LDL receptors on liver cells, like adding more garbage trucks to clear trash from your streets. A massive analysis of 27 clinical trials found berberine may help lower LDL cholesterol by approximately 25 milligrams per deciliter, total cholesterol by approximately 30 milligrams per deciliter, and triglycerides by approximately 35 milligrams per deciliter. Additionally, it may raise HDL good cholesterol by 2 to 3 points. Clinical trials suggest berberine may help support healthy cholesterol levels, offering a different approach than expensive statins. This may support heart health with a different side effect profile. Now here's where berberine gets really interesting, because its effects on inflammation might be its most powerful benefit yet. Number 4. The inflammation support system. Researchers have identified that chronic inflammation is associated with many leading causes of health concerns, and berberine may help address it better than many compounds they've tested. Think of inflammation like a fire alarm in your body. Short bursts help with healing, but when it won't shut off, that's when serious problems start. Chronic inflammation may silently affect blood vessels, joints, brain tissue, everything. Berberine works like a master firefighter, potentially targeting inflammation at multiple levels. It may help support NF-κB, a key factor that turns on inflammatory genes throughout your body. Studies show it may help reduce C-reactive protein, CRP, the gold standard inflammation marker, by up to 45%. One study gave participants 900 milligrams of berberine daily. After 8 weeks, their inflammatory markers showed significant improvement. Research suggests berberine may help support healthy inflammation markers, potentially supporting everything from your heart to your joints to your brain. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your cells. But berberine's supportive powers don't stop there. What it does for your gut might be the key to everything. Number 5. The gut health support. Gastroenterologists are increasingly interested in berberine after discovering it may help rebuild your microbiome better than many supplements they've seen. This discovery is changing everything we thought we knew about gut health. Your gut is like a garden, and bad bacteria are the weeds choking out good plants. Most people try adding good bacteria with probiotics, but that's like throwing seeds on concrete. They can't take root in an unhealthy environment. Berberine works completely differently. It's antimicrobial, meaning it may selectively help control harmful bacteria while actually potentially supporting beneficial strains. Research shows berberine may help increase Akkermansia mucinifila, a beneficial bacteria that strengthens your gut lining and improves metabolism throughout your entire body. One study analyzed stool samples before and after berberine supplementation. After 12 weeks, participants showed significant increases in beneficial bacteria diversity. Their gut bacteria started producing more short-chain fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation throughout the entire body. Studies suggest berberine may help increase beneficial gut bacteria diversity while helping support gut health, potentially rebuilding your microbiome in weeks instead of months. Your gut becomes a more balanced system instead of a source of problems. This gut transformation triggers something unexpected. Berberine's effects on brain function have interested even neuroscientists. Number 6. Brain health support. Researchers made a notable discovery. Berberine crosses the blood-brain barrier and may provide benefits in laboratory studies. What they found could change how we think about brain aging forever. Your brain uses more energy than any other organ, about 20% of everything you eat. But when brain cells can't use energy properly, that's when memory fades and brain fog sets in. Remember that AMPK switch? It works in brain cells too. When berberine activates AMPK in neurons, it triggers autophagy, cellular housekeeping that clears out damaged proteins before they form dangerous plaques. Animal research showed berberine may help reduce beta-amyloid plaques by up to 50% in laboratory studies. These are the same plaques associated with memory problems. Early research suggests berberine may support cognitive function and help maintain brain health, potentially protecting your mind as you age. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain cells. Now, get ready for this. Berberine's effects on hormones explain why people feel more balanced. Number 7. Hormone balance support. Endocrinologists treating PCOS patients have found something remarkable. Berberine may help with hormone imbalances comparably to leading prescription treatments. Hormones are like an orchestra. When one instrument is off, the whole symphony sounds terrible. For women with PCOS, testosterone runs too high, while insulin resistance makes everything worse. Berberine may help address a root cause, insulin resistance that disrupts your entire hormonal system. In women with PCOS, studies show berberine may help support testosterone balance while improving insulin sensitivity. For men, berberine may help by potentially supporting aromatase, the enzyme that converts testosterone to estrogen. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which may naturally support testosterone production. Research suggests berberine may help support hormones in many PCOS cases and significantly support testosterone balance in men. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire endocrine system. Speaking of energy, athletes are interested in berberine's next benefit. Number 8. Athletic performance support. Sports scientists have been studying berberine and now understand why it shows promise. What they discovered about endurance and recovery is remarkable. During exercise, your muscles scream for energy. Berberine may help enhance this energy production through multiple pathways. First, it may improve mitochondrial efficiency. Your cellular power plants potentially produce up to 36% more ATP per oxygen molecule. Cyclists taking berberine for 8 weeks showed increased VO2 max by approximately 12% and time to exhaustion by up to 18 minutes. Recovery improved even more than performance. Muscle damage markers dropped approximately 40%. Studies suggest berberine may help support endurance and help reduce exercise-induced muscle damage, potential performance enhancement that actually supports your health. But berberine doesn't just help you perform better, it might actually help you age more gracefully. Number 9. Cellular health support. Scientists studying the world's longest living people found they often had one thing in common: naturally high AMPK activity. Now, berberine can potentially provide you similar metabolic advantages. By activating AMPK, berberine may help trigger similar longevity pathways to caloric restriction without starving yourself. It may help turn on sirtuins, the longevity genes that repair DNA and protect telomeres. Berberine may help support many healthy aging markers. Oxidative stress may be reduced approximately 30%. Inflammatory markers may decrease approximately 45%. And glycation may decrease approximately 25%. Research suggests berberine may support healthy aging markers, potentially helping with cellular health. It's like having metabolic support for your cells. This cellular support explains berberine's promising effects on liver health. Number 10. Liver health support. Hepatologists treating fatty liver disease made an encouraging discovery. Berberine may help support liver function naturally. What they found could help millions dealing with liver health concerns. Your liver is like your body's chemical processing plant, filtering toxins 24/7. But modern life overloads it with processed foods, alcohol, medications, and environmental chemicals. Berberine acts like a supportive agent for your liver. It may help activate specific genes that break down fat deposits, while potentially reducing new fat formation. Studies using ultrasound show potential reduction in liver fat after just 8 weeks. A significant Chinese study followed 184 patients with fatty liver disease. After 16 weeks on berberine, approximately 78% showed improvement on liver scans. Liver enzymes improved by approximately 45%. Clinical studies suggest berberine may support fatty liver health in a significant percentage of patients within 16 weeks, potentially supporting liver function naturally. Now here's something unexpected. Berberine's effects on blood pressure show promise. Number 11. Blood pressure support. Cardiologists are studying berberine for patients who are interested in natural approaches, because it works through different mechanisms with a favorable side effect profile. High blood pressure is called the silent killer because you feel fine while it may affect blood vessels throughout your body. But berberine takes a comprehensive approach that may help address root causes instead of just symptoms. Berberine may help improve endothelial function. Your blood vessels may become more flexible and responsive. It may also help reduce inflammation in vessel walls, potentially supporting healthy blood vessels that remain flexible over time. A massive analysis of 27 trials found berberine may help support healthy blood pressure levels. Studies suggest potential improvements of approximately 8 to 15 points systolic and approximately 5 to 10 points diastolic. Studies suggest berberine may help support healthy blood pressure, potentially working naturally while actually supporting your cardiovascular health instead of just masking symptoms. But the most promising benefit might be berberine's effect on cellular health. Number 12. Cellular health protection support. Cancer researchers have made discoveries that show promising potential. Berberine may support cellular health in ways that protect normal cells. This research is opening entirely new possibilities. Healthy cells have built-in quality control programs, but abnormal cells may disable these programs and multiply out of control. Berberine may help support these cellular quality control systems through multiple pathways. Laboratory studies show berberine may help trigger cellular quality control. Importantly, it appears to only target abnormal cells while actually protecting healthy tissue. In clinical studies, people taking berberine show approximately 50% fewer colorectal polyps, the growths that may become problematic. Research participants taking berberine have approximately 35% better outcomes. Research shows berberine may help reduce pre-problematic polyp formation by approximately 50% and may support better health outcomes. Potential cellular protection that works at the cellular level. Practical application. How to choose quality. Look for standardized to 97% berberine on the label. Third-party tested by NSF, USP, or Consumer Lab. Berberine phytosome or added piperine for absorption. How to use it safely. Week 1, start with 500 mg once daily before breakfast. Week 2, increase to 500 mg twice daily, breakfast and dinner. Week 3 plus, consider up to 500 mg 3 times daily, maximum 1500 mg total. Always take 15 minutes before meals to prevent stomach upset. The enhanced absorption method. Here's the game-changing secret most people miss. Regular berberine is poorly absorbed. Your body only uses about 20% of what you take. But there's a simple approach that multiplies its power. Take berberine with a small amount of piperine, black pepper extract, or choose berberine phytosome. This may increase absorption by up to 500%. That's potentially 5 times more powerful. A 500 mg dose with piperine may deliver similar benefits to 2500 mg without it. Even simpler, take berberine with a meal that contains healthy fats. The fats help support berberine absorption, potentially tripling bioavailability naturally. What to expect timeline. Week 1 to 2, energy stabilization begins, less afternoon crashes. Week 4 to 8, potential improvements in weight and blood sugar become noticeable. Week 8 to 12, full benefits emerge. Inflammation may improve, mood may enhance. Who should be careful? Avoid if pregnant or breastfeeding. May interact with diabetes meds, blood thinners, or sedatives. Consult your doctor if taking any medications. The transformation possible with berberine is absolutely promising. From supporting blood sugar and helping with healthy weight management to potentially protecting your brain and supporting liver health, this natural compound may offer significant benefits with a different side effect profile than pharmaceuticals. But here's the thing, berberine is just one piece of the puzzle. There's another ancient remedy that scientists are calling the seed of blessing, and new research shows it might be even more powerful than berberine. This mysterious black seed was found in King Tut's tomb, and Cleopatra used it daily for radiant skin. But what modern science discovered about its effects on cellular health, immune system support, and respiratory health has doctors completely fascinated. One compound in these tiny seeds is significantly more powerful than vitamin E as an antioxidant. The correct protocol could transform your health in ways berberine alone never could. Consider exploring the potential benefits of black seed oil, including the important considerations about why most people take it completely wrong and get suboptimal results.